Welcome to CPR Training Mannequin. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're showcasing our complete range of CPR and first aid training equipment for hospitals. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our live session. Today, we're excited to introduce our complete range of CPR, first aid, and nursing training equipment designed for hospitals, nursing colleges, medical institutes, schools, universities, NGOs, ambulance services, and emergency response organizations across Nepal. We believe that quality training saves lives. That's why we provide reliable, professional-grade medical training equipment to help students and healthcare professionals develop life-saving skills. Our product range includes adult CPR training mannequins, male and female, child CPR training mannequins, infant CPR training mannequins, nursing skills training mannequins, full-body nursing care mannequins, AED training devices and practice defibrillators, BLS and CPR complete training sets, airway management training models, first aid training kits, trauma and emergency care training equipment, medical simulation models, CPR face shields, replacement lungs, and training accessories, educational charts, manuals, and high-quality training equipment, international standard products, competitive wholesale and retail prices, bulk supply for institutions and organizations, fast delivery throughout Nepal, excellent customer support and after-sales service. If you're planning to establish a nursing skills lab, CPR training center, first aid academy, or medical simulation laboratory, we're here to help with complete equipment solutions. Every CPR practice session can prepare someone to save a life. Every first aid lesson builds confidence. Every nursing skill learned today can make a difference tomorrow. Contact BG Exports and Imports today for product demonstrations, quotations, and special institutional discounts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our mission of improving CPR, first aid, and nursing education across Nepal. Together, let's train more people. We also supply high-quality first aid kits, healthcare training materials, and educational leaflets for training centers and institutions. Premium quality, affordable prices, bulk orders available, fast delivery across Nepal, import and wholesale supply, professional customer support. Whether you're setting up a nursing college, simulation lab, first aid training center, or emergency response program, BG Exports and Imports is your trusted partner for reliable training equipment. Contact us today for pricing, bulk orders, and dealership opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join our live stream for demonstrations and special offers. BG Exports and Imports, your trusted partner for CPR, first aid, and nursing training equipment across Nepal.